Hey guys, so how you can make as much money in crypto as possible? There are many ways. One of the easiest ways, in my opinion, and I have been in crypto since 2016, so this will be my third bull run. And in my opinion, what I am doing personally is this. I'm basically following the biggest narratives, the current narratives. For example, right now, you can see that we just started a new altcoin season, which means that Bitcoin has pumped. Right now it is not pumping, but you can see everything around, basically everything else that is not Bitcoin pumping. That is what we call a altcoin season. The second thing that most likely will happen, and is starting to happen right now, is the DeFi narrative. Before we enter a big pumps across the whole crypto industry, the first thing that starts is a DeFi season, the DeFi narrative. So all the pancake swaps, Uniswaps, all the basically aggregators where you can stake your money and earn some percentages of APY. This is the narrative that is pumping. Almost always this happens before the January. Now looking at 2021, the start of the bull run, the next thing after DeFi, what happened, as you may know, as you may not know, what the next narrative was NFTs. Basically, when the DeFi season ended, NFT season started. Basically in February, March, that was when the NFTs basically popped off. I think in 2025, the NFT bull run will be starting faster, and I think it will basically combine the gaming and NFTs together, and I think gaming will be a huge narrative basically after NFTs. And also the fact that GTA 6 will be coming in 2025 will basically make the whole gaming, crypto gaming, go up as well. And usually what happens in crypto is that you have new narratives every 1 to 2 to 3 months. So basically you have one narrative for 2 months, then the next narrative starts, and you have to always be on your toes, do your research, and basically watch out for the new upcoming narratives. Also the Bitcoin ordinals will be a new huge narrative that is similar to NFTs but only on Bitcoin. One of the newest, the latest narrative that we have in crypto is AI. There is so much stuff happening with AI, that's why I think this will be one of the next narratives as well. And again, if you want to make as much money as possible, you have to follow these narratives and just go from one investment to another. But if you believe in one project that it will do like 50x, 100x, the main thing you should do is not switch to new narratives or new crypto. Just stay true to that one project. There is a big risk as well, but if you understand that all the fundamentals are working, the team members are great, the product is great, you should just stick to one project and just keep your eggs in one basket and wait for that narrative to play out. Just sell when it plays out. Downside of this, that you may wait for 3 or 6 months for this narrative to basically come on, and you will be missing out on big gains. But that's how most people are losing money, because they are just switching to one narrative, to basically chasing narratives after they have pumped and ended. And that's why I always are telling people you have to do your research and not predict these things, but follow the volume, where the money is going, and that's how you will understand the next narratives, the upcoming narratives, and the narratives that are basically dead. So that's what I wanted to talk about. This is one of the ways I will be making as much money as possible, just switching through narratives throughout this bull run, because this will be a long bull run. We have just started. We are maybe like 5% into everything that will happen. This will be insane. I think that this bull run will end in late 2026, because always remember that if something is going up like crazy, it must come down. There will not be this super cycle where people think that prices will just go up and keep going up or just stay basically high. This never happens, and it will never happen because it just doesn't make sense. Crypto is for people to make money, and if you want to make money in crypto, one day you have to sell. And yeah, that's what most likely I will do personally. I will hold altcoins and basically switch to USDT, USDC, some stable coins, and when a big crash happens, just go into Bitcoin, because after that you will get like it will be easy to get like 3x, 4x, 5x in Bitcoin before the crypto bull run starts again. And again, nothing in this video is a financial advice. This is just my opinions and what I personally do, what I will do. More alpha coming on my YouTube, and if you don't want to miss any upcoming crypto, NFT, airdrop, meme coin alpha news, updates, press the thumbs up, press subscribe, press the notification bell, so every time I upload you get notification instantly and you don't miss out on alpha like this. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.